apartment to let. That's what I see as I'm passing by what once used to be our little two-room heaven with kitchenette is just an apartment to let. A flower pot standing out there on the sill, the rose that you planted is blooming there still. If you could see it, dear, I'm sure you'd regret that it's an apartment to let. I remember the evenings we spent by the fire in a warm little world of our own. I never dreamed that the flame of desire would go out and I'd be alone. Now nobody's there, the room's shown light, the curtains are pulled down, the door is locked tight. There's nothing left except a sign in the night that says apartment to let. Now nobody's there, the room's shown no light, the curtains are pulled down, the door is locked tight. There's nothing left except a sign in the night that says apartment to let. Apartment